Hey guys, it's Greg from AA Ignition, and today we're going to talk about our replacement transfer case lower shift linkage. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box here so we can go over it. So we have a couple various parts are included with this kit. Let's go ahead and get this out. So you'll notice here we have the main mechanism here. We have two bushings that go in here. So you get two new bushings. We have the main shift mechanism and a replacement bolt. So this piece installs down by the transfer case, and this is what actually lets you actuate your vehicle from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive, four-wheel drive low, four-wheel drive high. So the factory part often fails and you're unable to shift the transfer case through the different 2 and 4 high, 4 low. So if you're experiencing that issue on your vehicle, you want to go ahead and replace the part. It's underneath the vehicle. We include new bushings, a new linkage bolt that's going to go through there, and a new bolt to go on the shift shaft. And there's new dust boots included. It's a direct replacement for the factory part. You're just going to remove your factory part and install our part, and you'll be back to normal in no time.